In this video we are going to talk about most trusted websites to earn money online. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 7. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Amazon.com provides users with the opportunity to make money by performing other people's tasks for them. People who want to finish their work will submit it here after establishing a rate for the work. When you finish the task, you will be given a reward in the form of money. Amazon will take a commission from the work rate, which will be a fraction of the total. The majority of the work will be similar to completing tasks in an online environment. As an example, type the following paragraph within a certain amount of time. You will be able to withdraw your money once you reach a certain amount. Paying by check, and it will be delivered to your home address, is the method of payment. While technology continues to advance, there are still many tasks that human beings can perform far more efficiently than computers, such as content moderation, data deduplication, and research, for example. Traditionally, tasks such as these have been completed either by hiring a large temporary workforce, which is time-consuming, expensive, and difficult to scale, or by leaving them unfinished altogether. Crowdsourcing is a good way to break down a manual, time-consuming project into smaller, more manageable tasks that can be completed by distributed workers over the internet, also known as microtasks. Crowdsourcing is becoming increasingly popular. Number 6. Clickbank. Furthermore, Clickbank is similar to Amazon's Mechanical Turk, but it pays significantly more money than Mechanical Turk. Clickbank is an affiliate marketing service in which you must promote their products in order to earn money. Work is compensated in a variety of ways. If the work necessitates more knowledge or the difficulty level of the work is higher, affiliates will compensate you accordingly. An amount equal to a certain percentage of your earnings will be deducted from your earnings, however. There are a variety of ways to promote the product. Using social media websites, email marketing, or website referrals are all viable options. Clickbank will generate a short URL for the affiliate, which you can then use to promote the product on your website. You will be compensated for any referrals made through your link. It is planned to pay with a check as the payment method. Since 1998, Clickbank has paid people. In addition to physical and digital products, Clickbank also sells digital content created by third-party vendors, also known as vendors, and affiliate marketers, who then market these products to consumers. A vendor's ability to increase visibility and revenue-generating opportunities is aided by Clickbank's affiliate marketplace. In 2011, it provided services in more than 200 countries and offered over 46,000 individual products to its affiliate marketers. It has a yearly revenue of $1 billion. When it comes to making money on Clickbank, one of the best ways to get started is to become an affiliate and promote pages that have already been optimized in order to build your sales funnels. Picking the right product to promote on Clickbank is extremely important, just as it is when conducting keyword research for SEO. Number 5. Fiverr. Using the website Fiverr.com to make money is the cheapest and most convenient way to make money. In this context, your work is frequently referred to as a gig. You are free to choose the type of work you want to do. For example, if you are interested in painting, you could simply create a gig that says something like "I will paint your picture for $5," and when people order from you, you could collect their contact information. You will be requesting a photograph from the buyer in this situation. As a result, obtain the image and complete the work within the time frame you've set for yourself. When you've finished your painting, you can simply scan it and send it to the buyer as a scanned image. Keep in mind that after making a purchase from you, the buyer may leave a review. When you deliver the best possible performance, your gig will be reviewed favorably, which may encourage more buyers to purchase your gig. It is expected that the payment will be delivered to you via your PayPal account. When you complete a gig, you'll be paid $5, of which you'll receive $4 in your hand and the remaining $1 will be taken by Fiverr as a commission. Dan Boschicchio, a web designer and digital strategist based in Albany, New York, who runs a two-person company called Bouquet Designs, believes that the site has the potential to generate significant revenue. He claims that Fiverr generates between $3,000 and $5,000 in revenue per month for his company. Keeping up with the competition means making sure my Fiverr profile and gig descriptions are well written and communicate the value of the services I'm offering to potential customers. When someone reaches out to me, I make it a point to respond as quickly as possible and to follow up with them by asking thoughtful follow-up questions. A prompt, but meticulously written response will significantly increase the likelihood of them hiring you. Boschicchio expresses himself. Number 4. Scriptlance. Scriptlance is a safe way to make money online by providing scripts to other people. Children who are more interested in programming or who have extensive knowledge of programming can make money through the Scriptlance website. It pays more for those who are exceptionally talented. A good and well-trained programmer can earn tens of thousands of dollars per year. You may be able to find a project that is suitable for your requirements and solve them using your knowledge. Each project will have a fixed rate that will be earned on it. The payment will be made through the PayPal system. The individual who submitted the project will reimburse you. If you need programming work done, Scriptlance is the world's most affordable and simple-to-use outsourcing service. Small businesses can post projects and receive free quotes from freelancers within minutes of posting their job postings. Expert programmers, designers, marketers, and writers submit bids in order to complete work quickly, professionally, and within a specified budget range. Scriptlance is a member of the Freelancer.com network, which has over 4 million professional users in over 100 countries. Number 3. Udemy. It is a very popular website that focuses on online courses, and it is called Udemy. Udemy allows people to register as course instructors and use their platform to communicate with students, which is a welcome development. They enable course instructors to create course materials that can be sold to students. Udemy provided fantastic tools for creating course materials, which can be found here. Following that, this course material can be uploaded to their platform for students to access, allowing instructors to monetize their work in the process. There are 2 benefits for instructors. First, they will be able to reach out to students and assist them in acquiring knowledge and skills, and secondly, they will have the opportunity to monetize their course material. To put it another way, it is similar to being compensated for online teaching. Number 2. Shutterstock. Do you enjoy taking photographs? If this is the case, you can make money off your photos by selling them on Shutterstock. The number of categories of photographs is in the tens of thousands, with thousands of individuals and businesses actively searching for photographs for both commercial and personal purposes. If you have a talent for taking stunning photographs, you can upload your images to this website and share them with others. Every time someone downloads your image, you receive a monetary reward from it. As a result, this website is for those who enjoy taking photographs and earning money from them. Furthermore, even if you are someone who is just getting started with photography, you should visit this site because you will be able to compare your abilities with thousands of other talented photographers. On Shutterstock, you can also sell video footage that you have created. Number 1. Upwork. Upwork is a freelancing platform based in the United States that allows businesses and individuals to connect in order to conduct business. Since the Elance-Odesk merger was completed in 2015, the company has been rebranded as Upwork, and its full name is now Upwork Global Incorporated. Upwork is currently based in Santa Clara and San Francisco, California, but it serves clients all over the world through its network of contractors. Upwork has more than 18 million registered freelancers and 5 million registered clients, according to the company. Upwork is the largest freelancer marketplace in the world, with more than 3 million jobs worth more than $1 billion posted each year. Using Upwork's online platform, clients can conduct interviews with, hire, and collaborate with independent contractors and freelance agencies. The client posts a description of the job they want done as well as a price range they are willing to pay for a freelancer to complete the work for them. The client may choose to invite specific freelancers to apply for their jobs, or they may simply post the job for any interested freelancers to apply for. The client then interviews potential freelancers by reviewing their profiles and rankings, and in some cases, by contacting them via chat to inquire about their services. Once the client has determined who they want to complete the job, they hire that freelancer by sending them a contract that specifies the number of hours to be worked, the rate to be paid, and the date by which the work must be completed. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.